listeners of Gikuyu FM, a podcast. We are back with another video that has been hitting headlines regarding another story that has been trending regarding the Kisii nation, the Abagusi. We all know of the Kisii people. They are not known to be cowards. They are not known to like people who run away from trouble. We know the current governor, Mr. Simba Arati. He faces the bull by its horns. So this guy, we remember about the impeachment of the Kisii deputy governor, Mr. Monda. So today, a witness has come out and said that he was intimidated to go and report or to lie under the oath so that the deputy governor could be impeached. Star witness DG Monda's impeachment, he is admitting that he lied under the oath. He claims that the now governor of Kisii, Simba Arati, forced him. Dennis Mokaya, a key witness in ex-DG's Robert Monda's impeachment, admitted to lying in court and before the Senate, claiming Governor Simba Arati concealed them. Mokaya claimed that 500,000 transactions he earlier called a bribe was actually a loan repayment between Monda and his father. Longtime friends since 1996, the witness alleged Arati promised a county job in exchange for fabricating evidence, isolating him from his family when he complied. Petitioners secured urgent hearing as Mokaya's retraction cast doubt on the impeachment legitimacy. A key witness in the impeachment of Kisii former deputy governor Robert Monda has recanted his testimony, claiming he was concealed into providing false evidence. While with the court set to deliver final judgment on the matter on Thursday, April 3, 2025, the witness Dennis Mokaya moved to court seeking to set the records straight. In a sworn affidavit, Mokaya confessed that he lied under oath during the impeachment hearing before the Kisii County Assembly and the Senate. I apologize to the people of Kenya, specifically the people of Kisii County, for my false witness statement and the evidence I presented before the Kisii Court County and the Senate, Mokaya stated in his affidavit. He claimed that Governor Simba Arati and his associate pressured and threatened him into forcibly implicating Monda in the 800,000 bribery scandal. Mokaya's new account paints a disturbing picture of a well-orchestrated political sabotage as he detailed how the alleged plan was set in motion. He alleged that it all started after applying for a county job when he received a mysterious call summoning him to the governor's office. There, Arati alleged dragged employment as bait, instructing him to implicate his second in command. Upon meeting the governor, I was told that I could secure the job I and applied for if I agreed to testify against the DG whose impeachment was imminent, Mokaya alleged. He further claimed that he was sworn Monda's M-Pesa statement, which include 500,000 transactions from Mokaya's father, Joseph Misati, to Monda. Initially, Mokaya testified that this money was a bribe for securing a job as a commercial manager at Gusii Water and Sanitation Company. However, in his statement, he says this was a loan repayment between Monda and his father, who has been close friends since 1996. Due to their friendship, I am aware that the two have been lending each other money, including assisting with school fees and other financial needs from time to time, Mokaya claimed. Mokaya also claimed that after his father refused to testify forcibly, he was isolated by his family and the county government handlers. When I proceeded with the assignment, my family disowned me. I had to leave home and stay in a hotel paid by the governor handlers, he added. Following Mokaya's confession, Purity Mura and Vincent Homau have filed petition at the Nyamira Law Court seeking to halt the delivery of the judgment. It is feared that this court halt the delivery of judgment pending the consideration of new evidence. Mora hanged in court. On April Tuesday, Justice Wilfred Okwaya certified the petitions as urgent and directed that the matter be mentioned on Thursday 3 before the ruling. A significant majority of senators upheld the charges against Monda, leading to his impeachment. The decision followed a February 29 vote by the Kisii County Assembly, where 53 members supported his removal of allegations of gross misconduct, constitution violation, abuse of office, and breaches of national laws. During the Senate deliberations, most lawmakers voted in favor of Monda's ouster on each charge, with only a small minority deserting him. So, the Habagusi community. Is this true that there was intimidation or there was a price on the head of the Deputy Governor Robert Monda? What do you think, my good peoples? Leave a comment on the comment section, share our videos, subscribe, and let's meet in our next video.